Welcome to SkyPoint. Shortly, you will be travelling at over 3 stories per second in one of Australia's fastest elevators, soaring to the top of one of the world's tallest residential towers. Your trip will take less than 43 seconds. Indulge with a meal or drink from SkyPoint Bistro and Bar while taking in 360-degree views from Australia's only seaside observation deck. Next stop, level 77, SkyPoint, 230 metres above sea level. Turn left when you exit and enjoy your visit. When the sun goes down, SkyPoint lights up as the Gold Coast's highest altitude lounge bar. Enjoy grazing dishes and signature cocktails while you soak in those spectacular 360-degree views. Entry only $10 after dark or included in our multi-day passes and memberships. Elevate your SkyPoint experience to another level by joining our next SkyPoint climb, Australia's highest external building climb. See our team on the ground for more information or to secure your spot. Thank you for visiting us and enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to check out your souvenir photo from your visit today on the way out.